Judge drops hefty $4 fine on fishermen. Judge drops hefty $4 fine on fishermen. For the second time in 2 weeks, a judge in the corporate area has imposed a hefty fine of $4 each on men who were caught fishing in the fairway. Sean Cashel, Javion Jones and Kenroy Wilson pleaded guilty to the offense when they made their appearance in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Tuesday. Senior Parish Judge Lori Ann Cole-Montack, who presided over the matter, decided that the crime warranted the maximum punishment that's on the books. Now, I have to impose a hefty fine. Gentlemen, you're each fined $4 or 10 days imprisonment. That's it, the judge said. Fishing in the fairway is illegal under Section 14(b) of the Harbor Rules, 1971, and Section 7(2) of Paragraph A of the Harbors Act, 1971. Last week, Judge Cole-Montack sentenced 2 men to pay fines of $4 each for fishing in the fairway. Brought to you by Jamaica News.